Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be making smoothie with tiger nut milk and kiwi. Tiger nut is a superfood that helps to boost our health, while kiwi is a powerhouse of vitamins and minerals. So combining these two together will give you a delicious and refreshing smoothie. Stay tuned. Smoothie, you will need kiwi, ice cubes is optional, then your tiger nut milk. Start by pouring in the tiger nut milk into a blender. Put the kiwi into two, then I will use the spoon to scoop out the kiwi and add it to the blender. Continue the same process until you finish all the kiwi. Kiwi into the smoothie because kiwi is a powerhouse of vitamins and minerals. It's full of nutrients like vitamin C, K and E. Done adding all the kiwi, I'll cover my blender and blend into a smooth puree. And then I'll be adding some ice cube into the cup. Pour in the tiger nut and kiwi smoothie. This smoothie is so healthy and refreshing. I hope you try this. Thank you all for watching and stay tuned for more interesting videos.